Initializes a list node dummy head with a value of 0 as a starting point for the resulting linked list. Initializes cur as a pointer to dummy head for traversal and updating the result. Initializes carry to keep track of any carryover values during addition. Enters a while loop that continues until both input lists are fully traversed and no carry remains. Extracts the values of the current nodes L1 and L2, or defaults to 0 if null, for addition. Calculates the sum of the extracted values along with the carry from the previous addition. Updates carry to hold the new carryover for the next addition. Creates a new node in the resulting linked list with the digit resulting from the sum mod 10. Moves cur to the newly added node for maintaining the resultant linked list. Updates L1 and L2 pointers to their respective next nodes for the next iteration. Returns the resultant linked list starting from the node after dummy head.